In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana. This is a handy feature that can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to replicate tasks that you do frequently without having to start from scratch each time. Let's dive into it. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the top right corner of your Asana dashboard and click on the Customize button. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your project settings, including creating task templates. Once you've clicked on Customize, scroll down until you find the Task Templates option. This is where the magic starts to happen. Upon clicking Task Templates, you'll be greeted with a list of templates you've created previously. Or it might be empty if this is your first time in this section. To create a new task template, look for the Add button located on the top right. Clicking this will take you to the task template creation phase. Now comes the fun part, crafting your template. You have the flexibility to add essential details that will be part of your template every time you use it. Consider what will make your task flow smoother. Here, you can assign an assignee, which is essentially deciding who will be responsible for this task by default. You can also set a due date, attach the task to specific projects to get them all aligned, and include any necessary dependencies. Dependencies will help ensure that your tasks are done in a particular order, keeping everything on track. Adding each of these elements will ensure that when it's time to use this template, everything is in place as it should be. Once you've added all the details that are crucial for your task template, it's time to finalize your creation. Head to the bottom right of your screen and click on the Done button. And just like that, you've created a task template. Now, let's talk about using your newly created template. Go to the Add Task button located at the top left of your Asana interface. There's a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down arrow and voila! You'll see the task template you just created. Select it, and your task, complete with all the pre-filled information, will be added instantly to your project list, effectively saving you time and effort. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered the art of creating task templates in Asana. By using this feature, you'll make your project management process more efficient, ensuring consistency and saving yourself some valuable time. So go ahead and make the most of this tool by creating templates that fit your workflow needs. Happy task managing!